Next airdrop we're going to do is UltraBlock. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There will be a link in the description box below. Click on it, it will send it to this airdrop. If any airdrop asks you for money, don't send them money or coins. All airdrops are free. So we're going to start this up. We're going to come down here. We're going to click on create an account here. It's going to ask you for an email address. Put in your email address you're going to use. Put in a password. Or actually, we're going to go to register. And put in all your information here. And then it's going to ask for a password. Confirm the password. Hit I accept. And then we'll click on register. And I'll put my password in and I'll pop this video back up. Then after you click on register, go click on verify email in your email and click on that. And then when you hop into this, put a wallet address into here. It will ask you for right away. And then just copy and paste your wallet address right into here. Click on save address. And it's going to ask you to click on login. So we'll just click on login one more time here. Join us on Telegram. For a friend, create an account. We've logged in. So what we're going to do is we're going to join here. Join on their Telegram. We're going to pop this up. We're going to join their group on Telegram. We're going to click this down. We're going to go back to where we were. We're going to click on form here. Please fill in details with your email. So fill in all your details with your email. Put your Telegram account ID in there. Then just copy and paste your Telegram ID into there. Hit submit. That's done. And next we're going to go down here and click on this one. Open this up. We're going to join their channel as well. We'll just click this down. We'll go back to here. We'll click on the form. We'll put in all our details here. And it wants our Telegram account as well. And it asks for a date, so I'm guessing October 4th, 2019 is their official announcement. So we'll put in October 4th, 2019. So we'll go into here. These things are kind of frustrating. We want to go October. And click on this, I guess. October 4th. There we go. And we'll submit that document as well. We'll click this. We'll come down here again. We're joined on Telegram group. Share an article. UltraBlock on Facebook. This little article. You can go to their Facebook page. It says follow on Twitter. So we're going to go and follow on Twitter. We're going to go click on this. Just give it a quick follow. Then we're going to go over here and click on form. We're going to put on all our information, then our Twitter account number. And then we'll just come down here and we'll copy and paste our Twitter account in. I'm not sure what it's asking for here. I'm actually going to put this in. I'm not sure exactly what it wants here, but we'll submit that. And the next thing we'll do is we'll go to their Twitter, we'll retweet this. Retweet that on their Twitter. We'll go to our account so we can get the link for this. We'll pop down here. We retweeted this. So what we will do is now copy and paste that. I'm going to copy and paste that into the form. This is the link that we sent. It wants all your name and information here again. And we will come down here. We'll put our Telegram account into here. And we'll copy and paste our Telegram account into here. And we'll hit submit. And then we'll click this window down. And I do think if you want to, you can keep on submitting articles and stuff here for this one. I'm not sure how many you can do. And then what we'll do is we'll come down here, we'll hit on this form, say we've completed everything. And it wants all your information here. Put all that stuff in. I don't know why it's not showing the top of that. But we'll put our Telegram name in there. And then it's going to ask for your Twitter. Just copy and paste that in. Then we'll go to here, create an account. You don't have to click on refer a friend if you don't want, but I'm going to. You can complete the KYC process, which I'm going to do right after this. I don't think you have to. Log in daily, join Telegram group. Noise about Telegram, we've done that. Share an article, we've done that. And we're going to follow on Twitter. And now we're going to submit. Email. Going to ask for a name as well. We got to get that up in there. It wasn't quite showing up. So we're going to submit this document. Thank you. And you can go to the KYC if you want to next, which will be back at this platform here, the KYC. You click on the KYC, and it just wants you to upload these things. I just want everybody to know that KYCs can be used on the dark web. They can take stuff and use it, but realistically it doesn't matter. And you can fill this all out. And that's going to be the end of this airdrop. And we're off on to the next one.